If you want to record sounds on OPPO Find X9, all you have to do is simply go to the app drawer, and then in here you should be able to find the Recorder app. So once you go to the Recorder app, you can start using it. You can start recording yourself by using this button over here. Of course, if you open it for the first time, you will need to grant permissions. And we also have transcription as you say things out loud. So whatever is being said on the recording, you should see the transcription of that speech. Of course, we can also change the language in case that the incorrect language was detected. We also can use these marks over here, which later on we can of course return to. And there we go. Over here we have the summary. Apparently the app can actually differentiate speakers. We can also manage between different speakers. We can even copy the text if you want to. We can also switch to summary in order to generate a summary of the transcription. We can tap on this audio audio wave over here in order to of course play the audio, for example, or find some additional options. Over here we can open marks, and of course we can for example edit or delete them if we want to. And in the upper right corner we have these three dots where we can find some additional options. Then besides that we also have this icon that is used to clear voice. So this is an AI tool over here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.